Here's the kids catching fireflies on a summer's night. They're sparkling all over the yard. It's hard to catch it on video. Hey, show it in the movie.
Look, Mom. Look, Mom. Oh, it's dead. Look.
You see? Oh, it flew away. Go get more. I see more shining in the night.
I caught one. I caught one, guys.
Oh, you caught one too, Hans.
Firefly.
Can you catch a firefly, Charlie?
Firefly.
Oh, keep looking around.
That's okay.
You see when they shine? Good. Go look. Go see where they're shining. You see them shining?
Where's my firefly?
You have to go catch them.
I can't find it.
Oh, go look. They look like fire.
Oh, look, it came out. My hand.
And show it up close. Oh, there it goes.
I caught one! I caught one! One! Ta-da! Right there! Right there! It's right there, Mommy! Mommy! But that's still so thin it's flying away. Look, Mom! Take a picture. It's my hand.
You see
Hey!
it?
Look right there, Mommy!
There's the little firefly.
Hey!
Is it gonna light up?
Another one! I don't want it to fly away.
Oh, there it did. There's a little flash.
I caught one. I lighted. Dude, look, I caught one. It's staying in my hand. I caught it. Light.
Oh, Hans, yours lighted too.
My firefly.
Did you find a firefly?
Mine's
Good.
stuck on it.
Oh, Hans, you got a mosquito.